So I caved and I bought in my basketball manager era off of Etsy because it takes 2 seconds and all I have to do is unzip them. So just scratch the hour worth of designing from the night before because that looks like crap. Gross. Alright, so let's use these downloads instead and send this off to my DTF printer so I can pick them up on Monday and make the shirts. I still do need to make the other design though because I did not find it, but I don't think that's going to take too much time. Well, we'll see. You'll be following along to see. Okay, anyways, I'm going to stop talking now. Yes, my Stream Deck key worked. I may just do like a different shot of this, but I just hit pause to unpause it. Anyways, if you don't use Stream Deck to record, you should. Alright. Cropped, centered. I'm gonna do what I said I'm not gonna do. An image trace. Just to get like a baseline here. I don't want that. I want color. And I also have the download ready. So let's open that up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, forgot the girl's name. They wanted a name. Alright. I think I'm still gonna have to use that text to do her name because I don't think I have the right letters. Okay, and I'm not gonna image trace this. I lied. I can't make up my mind, honestly. It's been so long, alright? Type, font. Can you do... I think you can only determine the font type in Photoshop. Pause. Alright. Let's continue. In Photoshop. Yeah. Except my camera is over here, so just, yeah. We'll have to figure it out. I don't think I have a... Okay, I need to do that. I need to do just my monitors. Yeah, I don't have just my monitors. I have my face in all of them, which I used to not have. Okay. Anyways. Let's drag and drop the design over here. Somehow. bigger. Type, match font. Alt, drag, ta-da! Searching, searching, searching. None of those look like the one I want. Alright. If my Nexus font was working, which it's not because I messed it up, this would be a lot easier. Okay, it looks like PupCat Bold possibly. I'm gonna go with that. None of them really do, but we'll see. Okay. Oops. I think that could work. Alright, except I'm gonna duplicate, Control C, Control Shift V. Delete all the text. Oops. On that one. And delete just the top on that one. Stop. Okay. Now we need some. It's okay, buddy. Captain. All done, buddy. Okay, got them all. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna save this. Alright, cool, I got it. Alright, now I gotta finish it up, and I'll do that when I get my computer back.